Hello everybody, welcome to F&E Investings. I will be talking about passive revenue from Kucoin today. Now, Kucoin is an exchange that has over 50 mainstream cryptocurrencies, and by 2019 they aim to have over 1,000 cryptocurrencies listed on the exchange. By summer 2019 they are aiming towards becoming the top 10 cryptocurrency exchanges. They have one of the most superior UIs compared to other exchanges. They have coin voting, and they currently are developing an app for the exchange. It is out and you are able to download it. This is how the exchange looks like. It comes from TradingView, one of the best places to look at graphs. It has all of the indicators and everything that you need. Kucoin voting. As you can see, people are able to vote for the specific coin they wish to be added. Now, Kucoin referral system. Kucoin has a very unique referral system because direct invites will give you 50% of all transaction fees for the user referred. So that means whenever they are trading, all of the trading fees are split in half and you receive 50% of it. Indirect invites are the people invited by the users that you have referred, and you will also get a percentage of their transaction fees. Inviting people to Kucoin will increase the volume of the exchange, leading to higher profits from holding Kucoin. Also, having a large amount of referrals also is another form of income on Kucoin. Now, Kucoin shares. As previously stated, 50% of all trading fees are given back as dividends to holders. All trading fees on the website are given back to the people. 40% of all trading fees are given back to the referrer, and only 10% of all trading fees are given back to the exchange, which they will use to buy back Kucoin, further increasing the demand for Kucoin, which, if you know supply and demand, increases the demand. Higher trade volume will bring in more income, as stated previously. Income will consist of all coins that were traded during that day, and high volume will grant more tokens as dividends, And another feature of holding Kucoin is that for support tickets, you will receive a faster response time. Now, there are currently two competitors to Kucoin, which is Binance Coin, which its only function is to decrease fees. It is currently at $8.60 at $853 million market cap. And we have Robinhood, which, if you own Robinhood tokens, you will have zero fees on the exchange. Now, some other forms of making money. BitConnect. BitConnect is usually not too profitable because to receive at least 1%, you will have to lend this sum of money, 10K to 100K. So that's only about 1%. Now we have Genesis mining, and Genesis mining is only available for XMR right now. All of the other ones are sold out, and currently you cannot purchase them. I've done some calculations for the hashes and the profits. So here are the profits. This is the lowest tier, second highest tier, third highest tier. As you can see, you will be making $993 a year, paying only $830 for 2 years. This does not account difficulty, which will most definitely increase as this coin grows. For this one, we have almost $3,000, as you can see, $500 per year, also 2 years. And we have Houdini, which grants you almost $9,000. Now, Polynix lending. As you can see by this screenshot itself, we can tell that this feature is not widely used and there is not that great of a demand for it. Now, the volume of exchanges. Kucoin has actually recently grown, but it is currently at $72 million, while Binance was It has already reached $4 billion at one point, but it fluctuates every day. So these are the approximate volumes of the exchange. So how much will you earn from Kucoin dividends? So around 100 Kucoin is worth $400, and the exchange has about $70 million in exchange volume. Binance currently is at $4 billion. So 100 Kucoin, you receive about 8 cents in dividends. But if you are to hold Kucoin and wait for the volume of the exchange to grow, you will receive greater amounts. For example, you take 4,000 Binance volume divided by 70, then times it by 8 cents, receiving a $4.50 a day with 400 Kucoin at today's price. So if you are to spend $400 to buy Kucoin today, you will receive $4.50 a day when Kucoin reaches the exchange volume of Binance, if not more. And the exchange volume has been growing for a while now. It has almost like tripled in the last week. It is absolutely insane. This is a gold mine that we all need to jump on. So I'd like to say thank you for looking at my presentation. If you wish to support me, please use my referral code 1BGAS on Kucoin. I will receive a small amount of money, and that's that. Also, shout out to Arizian for assistance in production of this video. And my referral code will be down in the description. Also, please make sure to follow us on Twitter. We give out signals on what to purchase for profitable gains in the future. So thank you all for watching. Please subscribe to F&E Signals, and I'll see you later.